Hi there, welcome to our first episode, Colors in Life.
Camouflage is a fascinating mechanism by which organisms alter their appearance in order to hide from predators. Some examples are the Arctic fox, chameleon, and leopard. While chameleons can readily change their color, the Arctic fox's coat changes seasonally. It's white in the winter and brown in the summer. There's a great variety of camouflage, such as blending into the background, disruptive coloration, and mimicry, which my friend will talk about later. Disruptive coloration is used by butterflies to create patterns on their bodies which look like eye spots. These resemble the eye size of larger animals, thus misdirecting predators. In contrast to what I've just spoken about, some animals are brightly colored. These vibrant shades actually warn predators to stay away from them because when bitten, they produce toxins. This is termed aposematism. Examples are the poison dart frog, the monarch butterfly, and ladybugs. It's fascinating how two mechanisms which are seemingly complete opposites are employed to achieve the same purpose. There are two methods by which coloration works. Natural pigments called biochromes absorb light of one wavelength and transmit light of the complementary color. The second is because of physical structures which act like prisms. They refract and reflect light.
You may have seen very brightly colored male birds like the blue bird of paradise and the super bird of paradise. The female birds look much simpler. These bright colors influence the choosing of a mate. Brighter colors often require lots of energy for the bird to maintain, and longer, more ornate tail feathers may even decrease agility. But despite all these hurdles, if the bird can be agile, escape from predators, and survive, it means that the bird is healthy. Therefore, it would be advantageous to mate with that bird. This is an example of how brighter colors are actually better. Some harmless animals mimic dangerous animals in order to caution predators. One example is a milkshake.
Milkshake? I think you mean milk snake.
Oh, right, milk snake. Can we change the picture? This looks like a coral snake, which is venomous. Another type is where more than one dangerous species evolves to be similar to another to discourage predators, like co-mimicry. An example is the monarch and viceroy butterflies. This one. Did you know in the past people actually thought the viceroy wasn't dangerous, but then discovered that they actually were, changing its mimicry category?